Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely 2015 15 plate Ford Transit Custom Limited. Now this vehicle is finished in frozen white, which is a very desirable colour. You've got lovely M Sport styling to the van, so we've got these blue and black decals scattered all around the vehicle. We're riding on those lovely aftermarket Calibre alloy wheels, which are 18-inch. Just gives that sort of M Sport look to the van. We've got mud flaps all round. Inside you've got these lovely leather seat covers which finish off the interior nicely. Leather multifunction steering wheel obviously on there. You've got your cruise control and speed limiter, voice command, Bluetooth phone, volume and media controls, automatic lights. As we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 65,036 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Front and rear parking sensors, Bluetooth phone, DAB radio, climate control with air conditioning, park folding mirrors. Specification is fantastic. Now stepping through then to the back, blue decals follow through. You've got the Transit Custom badge in there, lower tow bar with electrics, and then coming through to the side, this has been converted to a sort of half day van. So as you can tell, you've got this lovely flooring in the bottom, black bulkhead, spotlights on the roof. You've got curtains on all the windows, electrics, so you've got a battery fitted at the bottom there, a leisure battery, and then fully carpeted all around as well. Now the rear twin doors, they do still open as normal. Inverter remote there, looking through to the cabin, that's all in nice order. So if you'd like anything further on the van, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. but thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.